Hey there, beautiful souls! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of personal growth and manifestation. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into: the law of attraction. Did you know that this incredible universal principle has the power to transform your life in ways you never thought possible? It's true! So, grab a cozy seat and get ready to learn all about this magical law that can help you manifest your dreams and create the life you've always desired. 1. What is the law of attraction? Let's start at the beginning and explore what the law of attraction really is. Simply put, the law of attraction is the belief that like attracts like. It suggests that whatever you focus on and put your energy into, whether consciously or subconsciously, will be drawn into your life. In other words, your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs play a significant role in shaping your reality. The law of attraction operates on the principle that the universe is made up of energy, and this energy is responsive to your thoughts and vibrations. It's like tuning into a specific radio frequency. When you align your thoughts and emotions with the frequency of what you desire, you attract it into your life. This means that if you constantly dwell on negative thoughts, doubts, and limitations, you're likely to attract more of the same. But when you focus on positive thoughts, affirmations, and visualize your desired outcomes, you can manifest incredible experiences and opportunities. 2. Visualize your dreams coming true. Visualize yourself living the life you desire, engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Envision yourself excelling in your dream job, receiving recognition for your talents and achievements. Take a moment each day to close your eyes, visualize these scenarios, and immerse yourself in the emotions associated with success. By consistently picturing yourself as successful and thriving, you are reinforcing positive beliefs and aligning your energy with the outcomes you desire. Remember, it's not just about attaining a job or a promotion, but about excelling and surpassing expectations. Embrace this mindset of excellence and watch as it propels you closer to your goals. 3. Focus on what you want in your life, not what you're lacking. Shift your focus from what you want to eliminate or avoid in your life to what you want to attract and bring into your reality. Instead of dwelling on your old, broken-down car, envision yourself confidently driving a brand new car. By directing your thoughts towards what you desire, you are sending a clear message to the universe that you expect positive experiences and opportunities to come your way. The underlying concept here is that your thoughts shape your reality. If you constantly think about the problems or limitations of your current situation, you are inadvertently reinforcing those negative aspects. However, by consciously redirecting your thoughts towards positive outcomes, such as having a reliable car, you are aligning your energy with the manifestation of your desires. Applying this principle to other areas of life, when studying for a test, focus on the goal of achieving a good grade rather than worrying about failure. By affirming to yourself that you are studying diligently and actively working towards success, you are setting a positive intention and cultivating a mindset that supports your desired outcome. Remember, the law of attraction responds to the energy and focus you put out into the universe. So, keep your thoughts and intentions centered on what you want to manifest, and watch as the universe aligns to bring you the experiences and circumstances that reflect your positive expectations. 4. Phrase your desires using positive terms. Choosing your words wisely is crucial when practicing the law of attraction. It's important to avoid using negative words or phrases that focus on what you don't want. Instead, focus on expressing your desires in positive terms to attract the right things into your life. For example, rather than saying, "I don't want to lose my job," reframe it as, "I want to secure and thrive in my job." By eliminating the negative word lose and emphasizing positive words like secure and thrive, you shift your focus towards what you want to attract and experience. Similarly, be mindful of the language you use when setting intentions. Instead of saying, "I don't want to be broke," state it positively as, "I want to achieve financial abundance." This way, you are aligning your energy with abundance rather than lack. The law of attraction responds to the words and vibrations you emit, so it's essential to consciously choose words that reflect your desired outcomes. By using positive language, you are signaling to the universe what you want to attract into your life, enhancing the likelihood of manifesting your desires. Remember, Words carry immense power, so embrace positive affirmations and statements that align with what you want to bring into your reality. Your words have the potential to shape your thoughts, beliefs, and ultimately, your experiences. 5. Express gratitude for what you already have. Practicing gratitude is a powerful tool in cultivating a positive mindset and aligning with the law of attraction. By appreciating the good things in your life, you enhance your overall sense of well-being and open yourself up to receiving more positive experiences. Here are some effective ways to incorporate gratitude into your daily routine. Express gratitude aloud or in writing. Take a moment each day to list or speak aloud the things you are grateful for. It can be as simple as the roof over your head, the support of loved ones, or the opportunities that come your way. By acknowledging and appreciating these blessings, you shift your focus towards positivity and abundance. Keep a gratitude journal. Start your day by writing down 3 things you are grateful for. It could be moments of joy, achievements, acts of kindness, or even personal traits you appreciate about yourself. Reflecting on these blessings sets a positive tone for your day and reinforces your gratitude practice. Thank people for their impact. Make it a habit to express gratitude to the people who contribute positively to your life. Whether it's a friend, family member, colleague, or even a stranger who has shown kindness, take a moment to thank them. This not only uplifts their spirits, but also deepens your connection with the positive energy around you. Remember, gratitude is a transformative practice that shifts your focus towards abundance and appreciation. By starting your day with gratitude, you set the tone for attracting more blessings and experiences that align with your positive mindset and desires. Embrace the power of gratitude and watch as it enhances your overall well-being and manifestation journey. 6. Replace your worries with thoughts about how things could go right. Worrying can have a significant impact on your ability to manifest your desires. Instead of attracting what you truly want, worrying can actually draw in the very things you're trying to avoid. To overcome worries and maintain a positive mindset, here are some helpful strategies. Challenge your worries. When worries arise, question their validity. Ask yourself how likely they are to happen and reflect on past experiences. Often you'll realize that many worries never materialize or have little impact on your life. Assess the worst-case scenario. Consider the worst possible outcome of your worried thoughts. Reflect on how significant it would truly be in the long run. Oftentimes, you'll realize that even if the worst-case scenario were to occur, it wouldn't have a lasting or significant impact on your life. Put things into perspective. Take a broader view of your life. Consider how the thing you're worried about might matter or be remembered in 5 or 10 years. More often than not, you'll realize that many worries are temporary and insignificant in the grand scheme of things. For instance, let's say you're worried about embarrassing yourself during a presentation. Ask yourself how likely it is to happen and if it has happened before. Consider the long-term impact of potential embarrassment. In all likelihood, you'll realize that the worry is not as significant as it initially seemed. By challenging your worries and gaining perspective, you can let go of unnecessary anxiety and shift your focus back to positive manifestations. Remember that the energy you put into worrying can be better directed towards positive thoughts and beliefs that support your desires. So, whenever worries arise, take a step back, assess their validity, and choose to focus on positive outcomes and possibilities. Conclusion. Wow, the law of attraction truly is a remarkable force that has the potential to transform your life. By aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions with your desires, you can create a reality that surpasses your wildest dreams. Remember, you have the power within you to manifest abundance, love, success, and happiness. So let's embrace the law of attraction, ask the universe for what we desire, believe in its manifestation, and open ourselves to receiving the magic that awaits us. Together, let's embark on this incredible journey of co-creating our dreams with the universe. Trust the process, stay positive, and watch your life transform in beautiful and unexpected ways. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Remember, you have the power to create a life you love. Until next time, keep attracting and keep shining, sending you all love and positive vibrations.